Hello guys, today I'll show you how to do online banking in Landbank. Firstly, download the Landbank MBA app on Android or iOS and install it. Once installed, tap the Landbank MBA icon on your home screen, then read the terms and conditions. Click agree and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Now visit the Landbank website or use MBA app. Click on Enroll Now under the iAccess section. Enter your account details and set up your login credentials. Now follow the verification process via email or SMS. Just open the Landbank MBA app and enter your login details. Explore features like balance inquiry, fund transfers, bill payments, and account management. Now, you're ready to enjoy the convenience of digital banking with Landbank iAccess. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.